It is the last morning and early afternoon. We're here at Billy Bob's, gonna grab some minnows, and we're going back out to the Nip, baby. Yo guys, last day on Lake Nipissing. Welcome back to another kayak and outdoorsman video. January 5th. Trevor's got some information for you on if you want to fish Lake Nipissing.
Bring a skidoo.
Lots of private property, folks.
Yeah, no parking anywhere.
Unless you know somebody, you're gonna have to walk or ride a skidoo, baby. Anyways, we got 24 minnows and a couple hours to kill. Right behind us here is the Great Lake Nipissing. Even though it's not a great lake, it's still a great lake, baby. Let's go. What we got going on here is Trevor is gonna check his navionics and see where we're at. But we got a huge pressure crack right here and a huge pressure crack right here. And I think somewhere in here, we're gonna fish it. Not too far off behind us here is Wassee Falls. I got skunked the last time we were here. It's redemption. Final fish. Final fishes of the beginning of 2022, baby. So we're sharing a flasher to save us the weight of coming in. Hopefully we can work this little section right here, which we think is like 15 to 18 feet deep right here.
And rocks right there.
And there's
a pile of rocks.
And there's a pile of rocks right beside us. So hopefully they're in and around this general
vicinity.
You know what I'm saying? Cool one. I got one like that one. I just bought it.
Where the hell did I put it? I had a blue and silver belly. Oh, here it is. Like that?
Yep.
This close?
Sure, whatever. Woo! Feel that.
It made the whole thing crack.
That was something else. Here, I'll go pop a couple more.
Huh?
I'll go pop a couple beside the other holes.
Oh, you want to do that? Oh,
Yeah,
I'll
yeah.
do that. Try to catch that fish.
Got him!
Got him, eh?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm thinking so. Nope, perch.
Nice, keeper.
Yes, Trevor.
Yeah, that shakes. Like walleye, you know?
Little picky. Well, folks, Trevor got the first picky of today, the final day.
Happy Walleye Wednesday, boys and girls. Yeah, baby. That makes me happy too.
Okay, what's that?
Multi-species attack. I guess we don't have to go to the camera, do we?
Marking anything?
Nope.
Run and gun. I'll grab this.
Ah, I missed it. He got my middle for sure. Got my, oh, he caught me. Okay, let's try this one. You got a fish. Run. Nice. Jumbo. That's 3 jumbos. We're gonna move this one over to where I just lost my lure. Run and gun, boys and girls, run and gun. Should be getting closer to oh no, but there's fish down here, buddy. Yeah. Fish on, nice one. Yeah. Got a nice one. Yeah. Oh, it's not that nice. It's a keeper. I think it's a keeper. You got your measuring board? Close, but no cigar. It was only 13.
Notice that shit at the same time. Hopefully this is it.
Give me my lure back.
Hopefully this is it. It's a nice fish. It's a really nice fish.
On a jig. Give me my lure back.
I'll help you. Got him?
You have my jig.
So, Trevor over here on the last day of our trip.
Crushing
just
it.
smashing it.
No minnow. Oh man. See you, little fella. I do want to eat you because I think you cut my line. But that was cold on the hands.
Woo! Got him. No, I think it's a perch. I can't catch a walleye, baby, but we're getting perch nuggets.
Yeah, as soon as I stop. Yes.
Nice jump.
Yeah. I'm actually wanting perch though. That's why I wanted to hit Simcoe.
That's a big mark with me.
Yeah, baby.
More perches. We have been fishing for a total of 2 hours. We got 1 walleye, 1 pike.
2 walleye.
2 walleyes, 1 pike, 6 perch. It's not bad for a final day here on Lake Nipissing to start 2022. We're gonna fish another 20 minutes or one lap around the holes that we drilled. And if we get any more fish, you're gonna see it. If we don't, we don't. Do me a favor, guys. Smack that like button, smack that subscribe button, and get yourselves a snowmobile and come on out to Lake Nipissing.
Calendar Bay.
Like, it's a whiteout, baby. Look at this. Fishing in a whiteout.
Got it. Hello? Speaking. Voice, and then can I pay it through an email? Yeah, I need transfer. Yeah.
That it wasn't my walleye.
Right? Look at that, right with the pile. Oh, Billy, rod.
Perch. My rod was dipping, but I got myself another perch, baby, on the nip, on the nip.
Lost it. Got him. Daddy. We got the little head this time, though. Baby!
Fish on. Trevor just got one. Now I'm getting one. More perches for the table fair. And there's still fish down there.
We're gonna have a fish.
I need a head.
What?
We need... Not quite a jumbo, but it's Nipissing, baby. Beauties.
Oh yeah. He's a little sore in the nose, I find.
Oh, it's on. Fish on. As soon as it hit the bottom.
Sweet. Walleye or perch?
I don't know. I think it's a walleye. It's my walleye.
And
it's a keeper.
Lucky.
Freaking happy Walleye Wednesday, baby. Literally. Wednesday, January 5th, 2022, Lake Nipissing. Let's go back here.
Man. I seen the other one down there. Fish over there, dude. Watch my rod.
Body just touches the 15.5 inches. It's my keeper.
Well, we're definitely on something, right?
Yeah, bro.
Because if we weren't,
We have literally killed the last day, pretty much. Well, guys, thanks for hanging out with me and my boy Trevor on the last day of our 2022 ice fishing opener from here on Lake Nipissing. We smashed it today. I got one keeper walleye. Trevor got 2 walleyes. We got
pike.
a pike and 10 jumbo perches.
Yeah, buddy.
Well, not quite jumbos, but they're big.
They're eaters.
Do me a favor, guys. Smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. We got ourselves yourself some dinner, baby. Woo.